Hello, I'm Eileen and welcome to my kitchen. If you're over 50 and you've been looking for ways to eat better, feel stronger, and still continue to enjoy your favorite foods, then this playlist is for you. I get to share what I actually eat every day, and these are simple but very nourishing meals that I eat for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for snacks, and everything in between. Some of the recipes I'll be sharing with you come from my grandmother and from my mother, old and always loved, while other recipes are from me, mostly a twist that I've put to the old classics from my mother and my grandmother. And some of the other recipes are inspired by a range of people, by the type of life that I've held. That's the places where I have lived, the neighbors that I've had and interacted with, also from friends, from other family members, and from the type of life that I lead, living in a city, in a very multicultural community. I attend multicultural events where we sometimes have a potluck. So some of the recipes will be a mixture of my way of life, if I can call it that way. One thing for you to note is that this is not about diets, dieting, and strict rules. No, this is about us enjoying simple recipes, nourishing meals, meals that will nourish us inside and outside. So, if you are ready to come along and cook with me, learn something new, enjoy nourishing foods, or if you're ready to rediscover those old nourishing recipes and have the joy of food after 50, then I welcome you to dive into this playlist. Come along as we blend the old with the new and get to enjoy every bite.